This is the third part of the 50L distillation equipment installation operation, installing equipment accessories. Prepare the related fittings. Parts of some custom equipment may be different, but the basic principle is similar. Install the pot thermometer. Teflon tape can be used to wrap screws to ensure tightness. Install the drain outlet. Please clarify the connection direction of the sewage outlet, and the valve handle should be able to fully open or close normally. Install feed valve. Install exhaust pipe. Install jacket outlet valve. Install electric heating elements. Install part 100 temperature sensor. In this way, the distillation equipment is fully assembled and ready for testing. If you want to know more, please contact us.